Laziness, or lack of motivation, can be addressed through a variety of strategies. Here are 5 steps to help overcome laziness. 1. Set goals. Start by setting clear, achievable goals. These should be realistic and broken down into manageable parts. Having a clear understanding of what you want to achieve can help motivate you to get started. 2. Establish a routine. Structuring your day can help you accomplish tasks more efficiently. Routine helps train your brain to know when it's time to work and when it's time to rest. 3. Stay healthy. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can have a significant impact on your energy levels and motivation. Try to incorporate some form of physical activity into your daily routine, and make sure you are eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 4. Eliminate distractions. Identify what's distracting you and try to minimize these distractions when you need to focus. This could be social media, noise, or even clutter in your workspace. Consider using tools that block distracting websites or apps during work hours. 5. Reward yourself. When you accomplish a task or reach a goal, reward yourself. This could be taking a short break, enjoying a favorite snack, or spending time on a hobby. Rewards can serve as a motivator and make the work seem more worthwhile. Remember, everyone has days where they feel lazy or unmotivated. It's important not to beat yourself up over these days. Instead, recognize them for what they are, and try to identify any patterns or triggers that may be contributing to your lack of motivation.